Hey, welcome back. My name is Kayla from the YouTube channel Panko Bunny, and today we're making Bam out of fondant. So if you're looking to make a Best Fiends birthday cake, this is the perfect tutorial for you because you can use it as a decoration on cakes or cupcakes or any sweet treat that you like. So let's get started. So first you're going to divide the white fondant in half. Roll one half into a sausage and bend it upwards to create Bam's body. Then roll 3/4 of the red fondant into a sausage and then flatten it. Dampen the top of Bam's white body with water and stick the red oval onto it. And this is going to be the red portion of Bam's body. Then roll 3 small pieces of red fondant into balls and flatten them into a disc. Use a knife to cut a fringe-like pattern onto the end of each disc. Then set these aside to dry. These are going to create Bam's crown, and repeat with a longer disc to create Bam's tail. Then take a smaller piece of white fondant and roll it into a long, thin sausage. Brush some water onto the sides of Bam and stick the white sausage onto the sides in a wiggly pattern. And oddly enough, this was my favorite part. I don't know why. Attaching the white part was so satisfying. Then use a butter knife to make indentations on Bam's tummy. Create Bam's beard with some white fondant. Then use the butter knife to make indentations to look like beard hairs. I think this looks so cool. Then attach the beard to Bam's face with a little bit of water. Stick little squares of white fondant above the beard as Bam's teeth. Then stick Bam's crown and tail onto his body with a tiny bit of water. Stick 2 white balls of fondant onto Bam's face as his eyes. Then place Bam into a small bowl lined with plastic wrap and allow Bam to dry for 1 hour. So the plastic wrap is going to prevent him from sticking to the bowl. And fondant stiffens as it dries, so it's going to help maintain the little curve of Bam's body. Place tiny circles of white fondant onto Bam's back and cheeks, creating his spots. Then stick tiny balls of red fondant under each arch of the little white squiggle that we made on each side of Bam, and these will be his feet. Then use a tiny amount of black and white fondant to create Bam's pupils and the shine in his eyes, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you'd like to see any other Best Fiends characters turned into fondant, definitely leave a comment down below and tell us what character you would like to see next. And if you just discovered this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We have so much Best Fiends content here for you to enjoy, including a bunch of tutorials by yours truly, so I think you should definitely stick around and watch them. And if you're interested in some other recipe ideas, head on over to my channel, which is youtube.com/pankobunny, because I have a baking channel on YouTube where we're cooking all the time and I would love to see you there. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!